topic for Programming 2 is all about an introduction of control structures. The order in which statements are executed in a program is called the flow of control. The flow is normally sequential, but if you want the flow of control to be non-sequential, you can use control structures. So what is control structures? Control structures are used in programming languages to cause the flow of control to advance and branch based on changes to the state of a program. It allows the programmer to control the flow of the codes that is executed based on different conditions in the program. We have three control structures. The first one is sequence, second is selection, and three is repetition.
First control structure is sequence. So what is sequence? It is a default control structure. Instructions are executed one after another in a predetermined order. The sequence can contain any number of actions, but no actions can be skipped in the sequence. As I said before, no part of the program cannot be skipped into the process. As you may see, I have what we call the flow chart. From here, I input two variables, the num1 and the num2, and then I process it. Sum is equals to num1 plus num2. After the process, the program will print the sum and end. As you may see again in my flowchart, there's no what we call looping statement. It is only flow, only straight flow. I give an example which determines the area of the rectangle. So from here, my input is L and V, which L stands for length, and W which stands for width. And our process is area is equals to length times width, sorry. And the output of this after the program, after of this is the print the area and end.
The second method of control structures is selection. So what is selection? Selection statements are used in a program to choose different paths of execution based upon the outcome of an expression or the state of a variable. It is a control statement that allows choosing between two or more execution paths in a program. We have four kinds of selection. One is one-way selection, two is two-way selection, three multiple-way selection, and last is switch selection. Our example for selection: grade is our input. Our logical expression or condition is if grade less than 50, if yes, print failed. But if grade is not less than 50, print pass. Okay, this is our next example. They are the same in example number 1. So our input is temperature, and our logical expression or condition is if temperature less than 32, print above freezing. Or if temperature is not less than 32, our statement will be below freezing. Okay, our next example, you can see we have three condition or logical expression there. So our input is grade. If grade less than equals to 70, print C. Else if grade less than equals to 80, print B. Else grade less than equals to 90, executed the statement A or print A.
The repetition control structure is also known as the looping or iteration control structure. Looping is the process of repeatedly executing one or more steps of an algorithm or a program. It's essential in programming as most programs repetitious tasks. There are three kinds of looping structure: the while loop, for loop, and do while loop. The flowchart of do while loop. First, start, then evaluate condition. If true, execute statements and back to evaluate condition. If false, stop. The for loop flowchart. First, do start statement. Is loop condition true? Proceed to update statements, then back to condition. If no, continue the program.
Using dialog boxes. Use a graphical interface or GUI, which is the JOptionPane. It was included in the package javax.swing. It contains methods show input dialog and show message dialog. The syntax for JOptionPane is string is equals to JOptionPane dot show input dialog and their expression inside the parentheses. The program must end with system.exit and the number 0 inside also a parenthesis, then semicolon. The parameters for methods show message dialog are parse component, message string expression, box title string, and the message.
Hi, this is the tutorial for JOptionPane, and I will show you the 4 message type of JOptionPane. Option for the parameter, and I will show you the importance of this. So this is the example of program. This is program 1. We had an import that java.swing and the public static void main string arts. We had the JOptionPane show message dialog and hello world in the title of the program, Java program. And this is the message type or option for the message type. And if we run this, we see this icon for the X. It means error, and the second message type is information. So run again. The I symbolize for icon information, so that we think that this example of program is for information. The third is the warning. Warning message. So run again. So this is the icon for warning, and the last is for question. And this is it.
Integers or decimal numbers is called the numeric string. Now, to convert a string consisting of an integer to a value of the type int, we use the following expression. The integer parse int str expression. For example, integer parse int 6723 is also equal to 6723, while integer parse int negative 823 is also equal to negative 820. To convert the strings consisting of a decimal number to a value of a type of float, we can also use the following expression. The float that parse float plus the expression. Float that parse float 34.56 is also equal to 34.56. Float plus parse float negative 542.97 is also equal to negative 542 plus 0.97. To convert the strings consisting of the decimal number to a value of a type double, we use the following expression. The double that parse double plus the expression. For example, double that parse double 345.78 is also equal to 345.78. Double that parse double negative 782.873 is also equal to negative 782.873.
Parsing numeric strings. In the other words, integer, float, and double are classes designed to convert a numeric string into a number. These classes are called wrapper classes. ParseInt is a method of integer which convert a numeric integer string into a double value of the type. Parsefloat is a method of the float and is used to convert a numeric string, a numeric decimal string into an equivalent value of the type. And while in the parse double, it is just like the parse float that convert the numeric decimal string into an equivalent value of the type. Chapter summary: the computer's ability to solve practical problems is product of its ability to make decisions and execute different sequences of instructions.